Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will explain about the course which name is Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy, which can increase penis size up to 3 inch, offered by Taseer Dawakhana registered. This course is prepared for the male weakness patients to cure their disease. Viewers, male impotence by the way is very common nowadays. Every third person suffers from this disease. Young people in particular are being affected by the disease. There can be many causes of male impotence. It is a fact that both the length and thickness of the penis can be increased. But in our society, unfortunately, people use various fake methods and surgeries to increase the length of the penis. This is the temporary treatment after which the penis returns to its original state and the patients get nothing but remorse. Other type of infection can develop later which cause men to suffer from other major disease. Viewers, sexual desire and the desire for its fulfillment are also found in animals, which is a very delicious kishma of nature. But man, who is the noblest of creature and also the possessor of consciousness. Remember that the length of the penis varies in men, but men commit immoral acts such as masturbation and homosexual etc. So the size of penis also changes, that is, it becomes cropped, small and thin in size. The main cause of male weakness is weakness of the penis, masturbation, ejaculation and unnatural sexual pleasure. Make the penis thin, sluggish and weak. The root of the penis become thin and weak. Veins appear on the penis, which also prevents proper blood circulation, and it reduces the ability to spread and grow, resulting in a cropped organs, defeated movement and friction, weakness the nerves, muscles and veins of the penis. Sometimes the upper skin turns black. The penis becomes soft and loose even in form of energy. For sexual intercourse, it is very important that the penis is strong, otherwise the woman is deprived of sexual pleasure. Deprivation of sexual pleasure leads to heredity and irritability for women. As a result, marital life deteriorates and the result is that the wife separates from her husband and man becomes mentally ill. Expert physicians from the Taseer Herbal Pharma and Pharmacy Division of our organization have developed such a prescriptions after years of research, which affect the male penis in a natural way, eradicating all its defects, imperfections in the male genitalia due to the misdeeds of youth. Effectiveness: Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy can eradicate all these defects. Now viewers, I am telling you causes of male weakness. Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy increase penis strength, ability, performance. Having a weak from root is caused by poor blood circulation. Our course will strengthen your penis muscles to its full potential. Increased penis strength, ability, performance. Having a weak erection is caused by poor blood circulation. Our course will strengthen your penis muscles to full potential, allowing optimal blood circulation, which allows you to gain erection like steel any time you wish. In this therapy, you will also enjoy longer, more pleasurable sex, achieve rock hard erections every time and intensify your orgasms, even achieve multiple orgasms. The sad truth is that the average man has a very weak and underdeveloped penis. Regular use of Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy will also promote a very muscular appearance to the penis. A curve in the penis can have all kind of detrimental health effects, including irritation, painful or weak erection, and ejaculatory problems. Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy contains pure herbal medicine prepared to help strengthen curvature of the penis. Viewers, here are some benefits of Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy. The specially designed formula aims to combine effective and potent ingredients that provide real penis enlargement. Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy Male Enhancer provides you better, stronger and larger erections, as well as ensures overall male health and longevity. Its powerful nutrients and potent herbal ingredients work to increase penis size and gives you powerful male enhancement. Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy unique formula stimulates an increased flow of blood into the erectile chambers of your penis during arousal. As time passes, this increase in blood flow may causes the erectile chambers to expand and create larger and thicker erections that last longer. Men who use this course have reported an increase in erection size and firmness. Yes, Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy users have reported gains of up to 3 inches in length and increases in girth. Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy can not only enlarge your penis, but it can also produce rock hard erections. Taseer Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy also increase the ability to control ejaculation more easily and produce larger, fuller erections. Increase penis size up to 3 inch, improve erection, stiffness duration, bigger, harder and longer erection, increase sperm production, increase semen volume, more explosive orgasm. Viewers, let me correct your misunderstanding. It is the fact that the length of the penis can be increased, an example of this bodybuilding. When you go to the gym for bodybuilding, so in a few days your muscles and chest is double. Similarly, this course is Tasir Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy naturally enlarge the size of penis. Viewers, as you know, in the present age, nudity and pornography are especially prevalent among the youth. When men are immoral, then he is involved in such commits like masturbation, homosexual, watching porn, porn magazines. The prevalence of sexual weakness is increasing day by day, due to which nightfall, spermatoria, premature ejaculation, sensitivity and impotence are complained. Like, now I am telling you penis diseases. Thin penis, bumpy penis, curvature penis, small penis, muscular fracture in penis, weak from root, ring in middle size of penis, paralyzed penis, bent penis, infection in penis, loose penis. Viewers, Tasir Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy eliminates all imperfections of penis and improve all sexual weakness and can give you more pleasure and rock hard erection. This course is an erection enhancer which works by improving all body blood circulation and such as increases blood flow in the penis and relax the penile tissues to hold more blood. The process of which leads to harder, stronger and longer lasting erection. Viewers, the continued use of Tasir Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy helps to build natural enhancement stamina even in persons of old age. It offers extraordinary energy to its users to the full brink of their satisfaction and extreme pleasure. The time-tested herbs and minerals present in Tasir Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy neither restrain the production of sperm nor stimulates any sort of cancerous growth. It does not cause any side effects like blood pressure or flushing. The ingredients are purely herbal and natural. Viewers, Tasir Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy is a unique product made from the world's most erotic herbs to enhance stamina, pleasure, confidence and strength of a man. It contains energy generating herbs which increase blood circulation in the tissue of the penis, adds to its erectile strength and gives strength to whole body. Viewers, these are some extra benefits provided by this course. Make love longer, erectile, increase libido, improve your sexual self-confidence, nerve by breast by premature ejaculation again, deal with low sexual stamina and soft erection, gain enhanced male performance with no side effect. Viewers, now I will tell you its treatment. Tasir Dawakhana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Tasir Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy by Tasir Dawakhana, which is made with precious herbals and free from any side effect. Doctor and scientist of our institute, Tasir Dawakhana, work under the supervision of Dr. and Hakim Tariq Mahmood Tasir, qualified doctors, lady doctors, pharmacists and Hakim with prolonged research. Tasir Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. It is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Tasir. Now viewers, let me tell you precautions. After researching various natural herbs in the light of the essence of ancient and modern medical research and his long medical observation, discovered the safe and effective method of effective Tasir Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy, which is complete cure for restoration of mental and physical strength. Rely on natural remedies because that's the only cure which does not have any side effects. Avoid drugs, light exercise and walking are helpful. Avoid pornographic ideas, pornographic literature and movies. Avoid reading bad magazines. Avoid bad society. Use fresh fruit, honey, dates, fish, pumpkin, carrot, mutton, milk and yogurt. So viewers, if you or your known person has male weakness problem, then come to Tasir Dawakhana and use Tasir Diamond Special Extra Enlargement Therapy, which will cure all penis diseases and male weakness problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new disease topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.